We are working with what was originally Bitcoin code base, to which Dash added on code base, to which we've added on code base. We've added on original code now for basically scaling the security solution when you start a new chain. So if you look at mining pool stats, you can find, I believe, about 30 active forks of our project where people have taken our code, forked it, because we differ from Dash code and Firo code in that we actually have a scaling system in place for node consensuses that provide the extra security steps I mentioned, because on some of the other chains that have deployed this, they didn't deploy it from the very beginning of the chain. They deployed it from well into the chain's history. So they deployed it on an existing strong and stable network. And we needed a scaling solution to be able to deploy with active protection from inside a month on it. We've done that. We've got time lockable transactions, meaning you can send me RTM coins, I can send you RTM coins, and we can decide at which point of time in the future they unlock, either by block height or by a time value entered in there. That opens up it's not just limited to coins, this transaction type. You can also do the same with, let's say, NFTs or other types of tokens on the chain. We've got tokenization and NFTs and similar things on the testnet right now. We are working on what's called a soft forking mechanism, or not really soft forking, somewhere in between a hard and a soft fork. A forking mechanism, like an expansion of BIP9, which was used for the hash rate voting on Bitcoin. If you can remember the 2017 big block or small block voting system that resulted in the split off of some miners and some parts of the network into Bitcoin Cash. We're adapting that to our network. Then what we've also got underway is our VM solution. Basically, if a chain is smart contract capable, it's got to have some kind of VM solution to execute the contracts. We're not using EVM. We are working at integrating Apache Spark, which is one of the largest currently used data analytics engines. It's also used for a variety of other things on the net. Twitter runs mainly on Apache Spark, or did not very long ago. Not quite sure of their internals with Musk running things. We're doing that because with that, we have a much wider range of programming languages available for developers. You must have heard of something like Solidity, right? Solidity is the programming language developed by ConsenSys and the Ethereum developers for the use of smart contracting on EVM chain. The problem with Solidity is it's basically reinventing the wheel, meaning because the language is in such an incomplete state of development compared to languages like C, C++, Java, Python, a lot of exploits are possible in it. And I mean, we see that every week. There's a new big DeFi hack. So we hope to avoid the majority of this